If you want to create a new section in your blog page, you simply have to go between the two sections you want to create a new section and click on this plus over here. Then you will have the option to create a new section with AI, to choose a template from library, or to create one from scratch. It works the same at the end of the page. We have the option to create a new section with AI, to import a section from media library, or to create one from scratch. So let's create one with AI. We have to describe over here what we want to achieve. Then click over here to generate. And we are going to receive 3 options over here. And we can see the results by simply clicking on them and looking at what we have received. If you want to edit the prompt that you have written over here, you simply have to go over here and you can edit the prompt. When you are happy with what you have received, you can simply click over here to use layout. And we can see the design over here. Let's click on this X and let's add a section from media library. So let's click on this plus again, over here on media library, and now we have sections over here. We can also add entire pages from over here. So let's go back to blocks, and over here we have different types of blocks. So let's say that we want to add a code. We can simply go over here to code and choose one that we like. I like this one. We can click on it in order to preview it. We can click over here to generate variations. And click over here to generate. And we can see the examples like so. Or we can simply click over here to insert. And then we have the section over here. And we basically can do exactly the same thing over here. If you want to add one from scratch, we simply have to go over here on this plus, choose a layout, choose a structure for our layout, and then we have the settings for the container over here, the styling of the container over here, and the advanced settings over here. And we can play with those settings and create what we want. And when we want to add new elements inside our section, we simply have to go over here to add element, and then we can simply drag and drop our elements. And so we can create a new section like so.